3, 2, 1. Two or three things we can count on this winter. The second half of each month has been colder than the first half, and every Thursday or Friday there's been some kind of front, mostly with a mixture of rain and snow. Well, would you believe it? This one is actually snow in Boston at noontime while it's drizzling at Jay Peak. How can that be? There are levels in the sky. Levels, Jerry, levels. Down here near the ground, even though the water temperature over the ocean is 42, the air temperature is 31. Colder air has come down the coast of Maine into Boston. Meantime, up in the sky, wind is from the west and the southwest, and the warm air is running over the top of the cold, and that's made it all the way up into northern Vermont, where super cooled drizzle is occurring at midday and fog, but that is future snow. We had about 5 to 8 inches so far with this Thursday, Friday event. The rain snow line now is going to start pushing back to the south in the mountains, but here in southern New England it's going to go back to the north, coming together right over central New England overnight tonight. And there's an Arctic front coming in, so the upslope areas from Mount Mansfield to Jay Peak may pick up another additional 5 to 10 inches of snow. It's kind of a wild card here tonight. But we are not waking up to rain on a Friday morning in New England. We're waking up to cold wind. Arctic air is coming in for our Friday night and Saturday morning. Sub-zero in the north, a lot of wind. That wind will let up quickly with high pressure coming right over us on Saturday. Now, normally that means blue sky and sunshine, but there's such a ripping flow up in the sky that we're going to have a little bit of diffluence aloft, and that means a couple snow showers coming in Saturday afternoon. To sort of brighten things up. So it's definitely a wintry pattern coast to coast. When's the last time there was a blizzard warning in Southern California? That was issued yesterday, Wednesday, for tomorrow, Friday. So that train of energy coming across the country. Look at the snowfall over the last 3 days. Southern Colorado, of all places, has had the most at 36 inches. Here in the Northeast, we're at about a half a foot and climbing quickly. And it doesn't end there. After the weekend, Sunday afternoon, there's going to be another 3 inches of snow. And then it gets really interesting. We're going to have what's called a negative North Atlantic oscillation. Think Greenland block setting up. I'm looking for Rex. He's walking down the road down there. We're going to have a Greenland block setting up next week, and there's going to be a low-pressure system coming into New England. Looks like it wants to push to our north and bring warmer air, but it's going to be shunted off to the south, and it's actually going to be a 3-day event. Snow falling in New England Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and that'll make days 7, 8, 9, and 10 of snow in a row somewhere in New England. So we're on a nice roll here. March starts off like a lion, perhaps with a benchmark low pressure system exiting southeastern New England. So the ski areas in southern New England get some love. Ski areas in southern Pennsylvania south right now are near 80. Are you kidding me? Noontime today, 81 in Atlanta, 15 below zero in Casper, Wyoming. What a pattern we have, and it looks like it's going to continue right into next week. Next Thursday, Friday, here's our 10-day snowfall map. Guess. This is the guess. I'm not sure we're really going to get 3 feet in Boston, but it should be interesting. Anyhow, next Thursday, Friday, we may end up with a snow to rain to snow situation like we've done almost every Thursday, Friday. And next weekend, March, what's that, 4th and 5th? It's the Fat Ski-a-thon at Sugarbush. Join Roy Tuscany and the High Fives Foundation. Today's the last day to sign up for that Fat Ski-a-thon, so hope you click yes on that. And here at my house, we've had bursts of snow this morning. This was just a short time ago. It was snowing this hard with air coming in off of the ocean. Really a remarkable pattern. I'm not skiing because I had to get some stuff done. I'll go back up to the slopes next week, or I'll chase snow to Cape Cod. Surf, ski, weather, man, at your service. See ya on the slopes.
If I was just riding in mode right now, so there's probably been done like
Good job, Ashley.
There's the crow.
So, hey Sam.
Another interesting phenomena, the white dots in the slush or snow that's on the deck here. You see this sometimes in the driveways when there's a freezing rainstorm. Somehow the air bubbles just decide to make polka dots. Fascinating. Another batch of snow just came in off the water. Not huge flakes, but they're dendrites coming in under the radar. Ocean effect snow, I think, forming in the lowest 3,000 feet of the atmosphere. Oh yeah, and did I mention that my pussy willows bloomed this week? For real. These are for real. It was a false spring. 1 o'clock, just south of Boston. Freezing rain in northern Vermont and snow at Logan Airport. Yeah, that's right. Look at that. Dendrites are building right before our very eyes here. Weather is hard, but it's also really fun.